So this is the wall. I'm gonna show you guys how I build it. How's it going, guys?
Feel uninvited, left you home in West LA, I'm not excited.
So always, when installing brick ties, I always put the nail in the last hole, down at the bottom. This is where way more stronger. So guys, basically I'm working for the top of my my window. So all you gotta do whenever you want to work for a window, you have to measure, use your tape. The way you use your tape is, if you look on the tape, you see you have different numbers. So you got to put your tape from the bottom of the brick up to the top, and either you look for either 9, 0, 1 or 2s, whatever number it says. When you put from here up, this is the number you got to work for. So here it says we're working for 9, so it's a 9 joint. So each time, gradually while we're going up, keep on check to see if you right on. As you see, I marked 9 on my window here, so I know exactly that's where I'm working to reach. So that's basically how you work to get to the top of your window. That way you don't have to do any cuttings when you get up there. It's better to plumb every other one while going up. That way you don't have to bang the wall. Do a lot of bangings when you go up. Once you finish, you run your level like this, straight down like this. Make sure all of your bricks them are touching the level.
Feel uninvited, left you home in West LA, I'm not excited. So uninspired, on my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder, she loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I'm sorry for. Feel uninvited, left you home in West LA, I'm not excited. girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me.
Guys, it's snowing. Das ist Canada in, yeah man. It's Canada in what month we now? April. Corona thing. My memory is blocked. I don't even remember what month it is. Oh my God, guys, I hope you guys are staying safe.
Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA, I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me.
What measurement you have? Huh? You guys know what I always do it. Always when you finish your lead, you put your level like this. Make sure all the bricks are touch with the level. All of them straight here.
Feel uninvited.
Blade up.
Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA, I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah.
Gotta work one now. From here. All the way.
Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA, I'm not excited.
Here I'm catching the level from the back seat. Then we're gonna measure from here down to see what number we gotta work to reach up to the level of the back seat. Station watch. So it's a 1. So we gotta work 1 now. From here. Go all the way up. chip you get the cup. That's already diagram of good. Let me have it put them up still.
Feel uninvited, left your home in West.
Basically how you set up. You set up your online. Now we want to measure. Usually go over the over the window or over the door. So now I measure here. It says 2 inches. You want to get the same 2 inches over this side. When you're downstairs, you can look and you'll see the same sizes over there. Okay, so now we're gonna do our soldier course. It's spot. Normally when doing a soldier course, you want to measure to see what number you're gonna work on the tape. You want to measure to see. Here you don't have to measure, but usually, okay, so it's a 0. So if you zoom in here, you see it's a 0. So usually you work 0. 0 usually is a tight joint. So it's a 0. We're gonna work a 0 joint. Sure. Plumb this way. Plumb here. Sure, it's plumb this way. Again, it's plumb this way. If you put your level, one of them want to pick out, put your level like this. You want to leave a hole in the center as well. You want to leave a hole in the center for your weeping. Your weeper. If there's any water, get away by any means inside it. You run through that hole. It's important to turn the foxy part, the foxy side. You have a cut side and you have a foxy side. Turn that side right here to the soldier course. The reason for that, after you do your joint, you have a nice here. Just got this one. There we are. Perfect. Again.
Feel uninvited. Left your home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I'm so divided, starstruck, but hate has got some indecisive. I'm over fighting.
Here you have it, guys. Thank you for watching this video till the end.
Feel uninvited. Left your home in West LA. I'm not excited.